Welcome to SecurityCameraKing.com. The ACML-DX350EM is a magnetic lock with 350 pounds of holding force. This is an embedded magnetic lock, meaning it's designed to be embedded flush to a door frame, and is perfect for lower security areas. This MagLock is fail-safe, meaning that it will open when there is no power, which is well suited for fire exits. This electromagnetic door lock can accept 12-volt DC as well as 24-volt AC. When connected to an access control panel or one of our standalone readers, this MagLock has a door status switch, which alerts the access control board or standalone reader if the door is open or closed. For more information on access control hardware and software, just go to our website at SecurityCameraKing.com.